Crepion, opion cut mean. Avasidian opion obasindian mean go. Make opion cut mean. Avasidian opion obasindian mean go. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Ibibio Kiddies. This week we're going to learn about nature. So please sit back and let's learn together. I have list of words here that we're going to look at today. Okay, the first one is sun. Sun in Ibibio means ayu. Moon. Moon in Ibibio means ofyong. Cloud. Cloud in Ibibio means ntongeyong. Sky. Sky in Ibibio means ipayong. Air. Air in Ibibio means afom. Sand. Sand in Ibibio means ntan. Rain. Rain in Ibibio means Edom. Grass. Grass in Ibibio means mbiet. Dew. Dew in Ibibio means ndede. Mountain. Mountain in Ibibio means obot. River. River in Ibibio means inyang. Stream. Stream in Ibibio means Edom. We are so excited to have all of you today. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification button. See you in our next class.